didn't have technical capability in the company to be able to build the platform, and we needed a partner who could build the platform to enable us to take a market opportunity that we saw. And then subsequently we've grown that to become the market leader. We wouldn't have been able to do that without Ascertia developing the platform for us. I'm Tom Edwards. I'm Executive Chairman at Ubisecure. We're a digital identity provider. We've had a long relationship with Ascertia. It goes right back to when the founders of Ubisecure were working on PKI infrastructure. They wanted to create a solution for issuing the legal entity identifier, so these digital passports, but didn't want to be a technology company. So sought a partner to be our development partner, and that relationship has continued. Ascertia helped to build the LEI issuance platform, and they've helped then to scale and develop that over the course of our relationship to now we're the number one issuer globally of LEIs with Ascertia's support as our technology provider. I think what Ascertia have brought to the partnership in particular recently is understanding around how we achieve more automation as we scale the business. We are expecting huge growth in the issuance of digital passports, and some of that process is still manual, some of it is automated, but it's about how do we become more API driven, how do we think about the way that our customer service teams and our integrations with our business registries and our data repositories, how do we automate that? And Ascertia have a lot of experience of doing that, and that's really valuable. Go into the relationship with Ascertia with a genuine spirit of collaboration. Think about what you want from a partner, what you bring yourself, and therefore if it's innovation, if it's ideas from other parts of the identity and signing ecosystem, draw on that. I think particularly if you're not a technical organisation yourself, lean on Ascertia's experience and expertise. Trust very much is built on the process of verification. And I think that also epitomises the relationship with Ascertia. There are things that we do where we validate how we work with each other, and it's that openness and dialogue that's what builds trust. You share information and you build that trust through strengthening that sharing of information. For Ubisecure, trust is really important because it's the core of our business. We issue digital passports for organisations, and in order to provide that level of trust to our customers, that's supported by a process of verification. So I see verification and trust as being very closely linked. I think that's also reflected in the relationship with Ascertia in the context of working with teams and other companies. That verification process is how do you share knowledge and experience and exchange information that then builds the trust in the relationship that you can help each other.